Now that we just finished cleaning out Kohl's, it is time to hit the next store. Academy has gone an additional 75% off the clearance. We called this out in my group, Bread and Butter. Members are heading out to the stores now and we are eating it up. The clearance is absolutely insane on this one. I only have 2 of these in Ohio, and then I might be driving to West Virginia, Indianapolis with my dad. We'll just have to see how good they are, see how many of these we can hit. Let's go. All right, guys, so it is currently Monday. I'm on the way out to the warehouse to get everything that's sold, but that's not this video. I'm actually filming a what's sold video that'll probably be up before this video is. And my dad and I were going to head to Indianapolis today to hit some academies, but we just thought, who's gonna shop on a Monday anyway, so why rush it? And we both have to send our orders out from over the weekend anyways. So we're going to be heading out to Indianapolis tomorrow on Tuesday. There's also one in Springfield that we can hit on the way, so we should be able to hit 4 or 5 of them. As well as the Kohl's clearance event is still going on as well, so that makes it even double worth it. I didn't show that in this video, but I'm kind of filming 2 videos simultaneous because Kohl's and Academy hit right around the same exact time, which is very nice when you're traveling to other cities because you can hit a ton of different stores. So now cue the montage, back on the road. Let's head to Indy. Well, before we get into the whole haul, I actually just sold my first item, and the only thing I've listed so far, we got this pre-workout. Everything was an additional 75% off of the price, so this was like $6.25. I sold it for $34. All right, here is everything we got from the Academy sale. 6 different stores. If you watched my Kohl's video, all that is over here. This happened at the same time, so I was able to hit a bunch of Kohl's and then able to hit a bunch of Academy. This is the Academy video though, so let's go through all of these items as best as we can. Obviously, we've got a lot of variations of shoes, so I'm going to try to just go over some of the hits. Everything is an additional 75% off of the yellow tag. So $15 on these. We got these LeBrons here for like 22 bucks. Cannot beat that. $60, $70 flip. Then we got these TYRs, which I've never sold these before, but they were 25. And these are a USA colorway, which is really cool. And those are selling for like 80 bucks. So I'm throwing the sold comps up on the screen. These are actual solds on eBay. We got these indoor soccer cleats, $12.50. Adidas here, those are going for like 50 bucks. Under them, we got some boots that are going for a decent chunk as well. Got a decent bit of cleats too. I didn't really want to pick up a bunch of cleats, but if I can find the ones that have this like sock here, they usually go high end. And I picked up a lot of soccer and some like wide receiver football cleats. So those sell pretty well. But the soccer, and then I also got some lacrosse. Those always do really well. So half off of that, so like $17.50. This whole stack is these for the most part. And they'll sell for like $65 to $80. We got a few of these mixed in here. There's one over there. So those were 20 bucks, sell for like 60 plus. Plus in season on a lot of these, they'll go for more as well. So you can use Terapeak and look up what things we're going for in season. These are the lacrosse, or no, these aren't the lacrosse. I think the lacrosse are in here somewhere. These are the football pairs. And yeah, I had to pay up for those, like $27, but the comps on these bad boys are crazy. So I've got, I think 3 of those. These should be the lacrosse ones. Yes, those are the lacrosse ones. I've sold these in the past from Burlington several years ago. So yeah, those were like 24, 25 bucks, but they sell really well and really fast in lacrosse season for like 60 to 70. I already mentioned those. We've got a stack of messy cleats over there as well, but here's a solo guy right here. They were 80 before the discount, so 20 bucks. Anything messy sells 60, 70 bucks. Give me a second. Sonny needs outside. All right, back at it. These are more lacrosse cleats, all the ones in the box. And then I even tried some kids ones, just the bigger sizes, because they were really cheap. They were like $11, and the solds are like $45 to $50 on those. A lot of kids play soccer, so those should sell really well. Yeah, more lacrosse. We had some Giannis's there and then under there as well. Those are always good. Let's check out some of the bags here. We got these, this bag is full of these Crocs Mellow Slides. Look at that, $7.50 each, and those sell for like $32 to $38. And then these 2 bags are these like Crocs slippers here. Let's see if I can pull one of these out. Yeah, so 75% off of that tag. Doing quick mental math, it's like $8 each. Sold were pretty solid on there. And then if you watched my Academy video last year, I had a bunch of these wide receiver football gloves. They even had some defensive tackle gloves this year. Most all the gloves were under like $7 after you took out the 75%. So those will sell really well in season. Easy money on all of those. This might have been the find of the haul. Ohio State National Championship hats, which at the time of filming this happened just a month ago. Go Bucks. But why are these on sale? These were $5. That's absolutely insane. I've already sold probably 10 of the red ones and about 5 of the white ones. That was an insane find and had to clean those out. And then, same one had these Bengals 47 beanies that'll sell for like 20 bucks, and those were like 6. Here's the stack of Messies. This entire bag is full of Ohio State beanies. That, of course, that one doesn't show. They were between $5 and $6 each. Sell for 20 bucks. They'll sell for $20 to $25. We got a bag of Crocs here. We got these little kids elf Crocs that are adorable. Those were 10 bucks. They'll sell for like 40 plus. Even got some of these Santa ones as well. One of my really cool finds among a couple stores were these racquetball rackets. These were all $15. If I can get it to focus on that. There we go. $15. And depending on the style, they sell anywhere between $60 and $80. We got these high-end Asics here. Normally I don't pick up Asics, but if you can find the higher end ones like these that are selling for over $100, you might as well pick them up. And they were $30. Got some Columbia boots that it doesn't make sense how cheap those are. Even found some Brooks at one of them, 2 pairs of these, like 16 bucks each, and the soles are very good on those. Then we even got some Merrells in here, half a 75, $15 on those. The Merrells always sell really well for me. Even got all of these Skechers, for the most part, were all $12.50, which is absolutely insane. All different styles on those, but Skechers sell super well for me, anywhere between like $50 and $60. They'll sell decently quick. Got a few apparel items. The clothing was absolutely loaded in this sale. I just mainly stick to shoes and hats now, just because I don't like listing clothing. But man, if you are selling clothing, it was absolutely stacked. We got this Purdue sideline hoodie for $15. Being easy 50 plus. $10 on a West Virginia polo. That's very nice as well. And then we got these Nike shorts here for like $8. Those were like an easy like 30 plus. Let's get back into some of the bags here. We got these cool Ohio State. I really liked the font here. Shirts, they were like $3.50 Champion brand, but obviously we just won the Natty, so those are gonna sell really well for like 17, 18 bucks. Those not gonna find an exact sold price on, but that's just based on my prior history and my knowledge of how well Ohio State stuff sells. And then we got a whole nother bag of, these are all the sideline shirts actually on our 4-game run in the playoff. So that was after the Cotton Bowl. That's not a sideline shirt, but really cool looking 47 brand. Most all these were like $3 to $4. And then I got some Cotton Bowl shirts as well. Some more Nikes like those gray and red ones back there. Some New Balances here, really cheap under those. Got some Adidas. A couple more of the cleats that we've already mentioned. We got these Speed Swaps. Those sell for like 50 or 60 bucks. And then this might have been the find actually, not those hats. This helmet, $50, which seems like I paid up for it. Look at the retail on this bad boy, $299. And the sales on this sucker are anywhere between like $200 and $300. So that's going to be an insane come up. So that was a crazy haul to be able to get that much Academy stuff on top of all that Kohl's stuff. So that will about wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't want to miss out on the next sale like this that's already over, or that Kohl's sale that's also already over, check out my reselling Discord group. First link in the description if you want to join. On top of calling out these sales whenever they happen, we're also calling out daily in-store and online leads, and we've also just launched an eBay course that is completely included in your subscription. I appreciate all the love and support on the channel. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.